How to gain worldwide popularity through a 1 yuan business? Shaodong may have the answer. Although ladders in the video cost merely 1 yuan each, they support Shaodong in building the world's largest ladder manufacturing base. On average, of every 10 disposable ladders sold globally, 7 come from Shaodong. Today, the ladder industry in Shaodong has been included in the list of the distinctive industrial clusters of small and medium-sized enterprises in China. As far back as the early 21st century, Shaodong experienced a large industrial transfer from coastal areas. Since then, it has gone full steam ahead in the ladder industry development and set off its global trade journey. The ladder industry is deeply affected by the cost fluctuation and shifts its production size once the cost rises. To reduce the cost, Shaodong stepped on the development of advanced manufacturing based on automation and intelligence. In the recent 10 years, 69 industry-leading businesses in Shaodong managed to replace workers with machines. The per capita productivity is more than 10 times higher than a decade ago. The price of a disposable ladder from Shaodong has been 1 yuan for over 20 years, without a penny rise. The reduction has limits. To realize sustained economic growth, Shaodong turned its attention to mid-range and high-end ladders that have a higher added value, and designed various products with features based on the different needs of countries from around the world. For example, Russians love products with exquisite appearance, well-heeled shoppers prefer blue flame ladders, and customers from Europe tend to buy ladders with a child safety lock. In this way, Shaodong gradually smooths the way for the international markets. According to statistics, in 2022, Shaodong ladders exports reached 3.52 billion units, accounting for 50.1% of China's total exports of its counterparts during the same period. Therefore, Shaodong became the largest exporter of China last year, shipping goods to over 100 countries and regions, such as the United States, Russia, and India.